In implant dentistry, consistency is never accidental. It is built through precision, technical expertise, and the ability to support clinicians with confidence. As MSDI strengthens its international presence, local support becomes essential. MSDI is proud to announce NOGAP as its official partner in Portugal. With nearly a decade of experience in the Portuguese dental market, NOGAP supports clinicians through responsiveness, technical knowledge, and close clinical support, built on precision, powered by trust. This is clinical support without compromise.